Brain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Brain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome also to my C#.NET tutorials for beginner. We are now at lesson 12. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a basic example of a table or a data record. First of all, why do we need to learn about tables? Tables or data sets are an important part of computer programming. Not only in computer programming, but in different aspects of jobs as well, with your marketing, going through statistics and probabilities, and it is also important for your accounting and for almost every department in your work. Now, as a software developer or a computer programmer, you will come across on many occasions a time when you will be dealing with lots of tables or records. The sooner you learn about it, about its concepts, the better you will be in the future. Let's start. I'm introducing the one-way table. Okay, a one-way table can have two or more columns. The first column can be an individual, or the first row can also be an individual. In this case, our first column, this, is called the individual. And the second column, we will call it variable. The first column, or the individual, can be something else, and it can be a name of a person, it can be a name of a fruit or a product. The variable can be any property of an individual, and in this case, our variable is the age of the person in the individual or the name column. Mostly, the variable answers the question of what and who and which. So for example, if I give the age of a person and if I say the age of the person is 47, you will ask which person. So in this example, that would be me, the Glenn. And since we are dealing about age, we can also ask about who is the youngest among the individuals in this table. So we can refer to the age column to our variables and find the lowest number, which is 18. Now we can trace back the 18 to the name of the individual, which is Ovik. In a summary, or in a way, a table is just a way of sorting out data to make it easier for us to read and arrange it in a way that we can manipulate it later for uses like recording or for any requirements that the job needs. For example, a medical center would require collecting names of the person in a household and collects their age as well. They may write their data in this order or in this format, and that way they are also using a one-way table. Now, a one-way table can also have many variables, like in this example. Here in this example, we have the individual on the first column. And at the second column, we have an age. And as you notice, the age column is consisting of numerical value. We can call this as quantitative. Now, the rest of the variables are in string format, and we can refer to these string variables as categorical. A table can have individual, quantitative properties, and categorical variables. So despite having many variables, all of these references are pointing to each individual in the name column. So when we ask, whose person or which person has a green eye or has a green pair of eyes, then we can say that it's Hein. And we can also ask which person in the table is a female. Then we can refer to the third column, which is the sex column, and it is under a categorical type. So in this case, Rose is the only female in the table or in the collection of data. Which person in this table is not in a workforce yet? Then we can go to the job column and find a variable that identifies the individual as a non-working person. So here we can say that Ovik is the obvious person who is currently not in the workforce. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned from this tutorial. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.